We had a personalized system via FileMaker for the project management side of it, and I use that term loosely, and then a separate finance system. We were using MYOB at the time. And the problem is there was no integration between the two.
We were playing a lot of catch-up, trying to mold all those pieces together to get a more comprehensive overview of the company's business health.
Workamajig is an ERP system. It's what you want to be moving towards in today's age.
Because it is a fully integrated agency-specific software, Workamajig, hands down, was obviously the clear winner for us.
We can manage profitability, we can manage utilization, realization, all of those things that we never had optics on before.
Instead of spending time compiling reports, I just query the data and then am able to make decisions and spend my time doing analytics.
It has allowed us to better track our leads, and we found that to be powerful.
We like to use timesheets because it gives us a visibility into how long it's taking to work on jobs. Are we being profitable? Are we being efficient?
Everything is there that we need to move the projects from the time they start till the time they go out the door and we get to invoicing.
It was giving us a roadmap of how to run the company, and it's giving us the data to now grow the company and react appropriately.
Customer service from Workamajig has been great. It's always been incredibly positive. They do a great job of breaking down complex concepts into digestible components.
We feel equipped to utilize new parts of the system, and that the parts of the system we're using effectively for our needs.
This software is geared toward the agency world, so it covers the unique things that make us special.
It's everything you need all in one cohesive package. Stop using 10 different platforms and use this one.